Right now is the time to pursue your calling. Can you hear it? Your calling is calling you to pursue it right now. Well, you may be thinking, I don't have the time. When I'm not working, I have to spend time with my family. I get it. I have a family too. You think they won't understand if you're not spending your free time with them, and they'll feel shortchanged. But if you're not pursuing your calling and increasing your joy and fulfillment, isn't that joyless, unfulfilled you that's spending time with your family, shortchanging them anyway? Why not combine the two? Include your family in your calling, or better yet, encourage your family to pursue their own calling. After all, your calling is your purpose for being. So if your calling includes financial independence by doing an online business, I have the right vehicle for you. Click like and follow, and click the link in my bio for an online business opportunity that can help you pursue your calling.